In this short tutorial, you will learn how to log out of Facebook on other devices. Sometimes, we may forget to log out of our Facebook account on a friend's computer or a public device. This can be a security risk, as others may access our personal information or post things without permission. Therefore, it is important to know how to remotely log out of Facebook on other devices. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Account Center at the top. Just tap on it. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Password and Security. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says where you're logged in. Select your Facebook account. And now you will be able to see your Facebook account login activity and all the devices that are logged into your Facebook account. If you see a device that you don't recognize, tap where it says Select Devices to log out. Then tap on the device to select it, and then tap Log Out. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.